Hi, I'm Emily from Laurastar, and let me show you why the Smart U is more than just an iron. The key essential feature in all Laurastar products is the dry microfine steam. Our steam is more like a gas than a steam, so it's not going to drip or spit on my fabric or burn my hand. We have a large capacity removable water tank that uses regular tap water. This large capacity tank holds 40 ounces, so that means I'm not going to be filling my iron over and over. It's always going to have water in it, and it's always going to create steam for me. With the Laurastar Smart U, we've got a professional iron. The weight of my iron is 2.2 pounds, and my handle is centrally located. It's going to provide the perfect amount of pressure. I've got a steam control on the right and left hand sides. So whether I'm left-handed or right-handed, I always have access to my steam. You'll see on the Smart U, we also have a button on the front. This is going to control my active board that has the blower and the vacuum. So it can either pull the air through my board, or if I press the button and change the direction, now you can see I've got a cushion of air on my board. Right down here, I have a button to control my fan speed. So if I want more air, or more suction or less suction, I have the ability to control that speed. I have a heat-resistant silicone iron rest, and I also have a tool storage compartment that I can safely store my iron hot. I have a steam cord holder that is going to keep my cord always out of the way, and then I also have a hook here for my protective sole plate. A really unique feature about our smart systems is that our irons have one ideal temperature control. So if you can imagine that really fine steam, if we were going to reduce the temperature of our iron, we can't guarantee that our steam stays really dry. But sometimes on delicate fabrics, we still need a temperature that is not as hot. So that is the solution for my protective sole plate. I can clip on my protective sole plate to my iron. My steam stays really fine and dry because I haven't decreased the temperature inside the iron, but I can reduce the plate by 100 degrees with my non-stick Teflon protective sole plate. There are 3 features only found on the top of the line. One feature is our 3D active sole plate. If you look at the plate on the bottom of my iron, I've got a ridge here, and this is going to also form a bump here. This is going to distribute the steam really evenly and give me a full curtain of steam rather than trails. So it's going to distribute the steam very evenly through the fabric and remove wrinkles really quickly. Another feature that I have on my Smart U is called the pulsed steam. So normally when I'm using the iron and I'm releasing steam, I've got total control of the steam, whether I press the right or left hand button. But when I activate the pulse steam on my iron, and this is this button right down here, when I activate the pulse steam, now when I press the steam button, if you can hear, I get pulses of steam. And so I get intermittent bursts of steam. This is going to reduce the amount of steam I use and also reduce the amount of water that I use. So this is great if we're going to be more efficiently steaming or steaming for a long time. And then the SenSteam is a really great feature as well. It's going to help us steam more efficiently. So when I activate the SenSteam, I don't have to press a steam button at all. I'm going to simply pick up the handle of my iron. I'm going to move my iron forward and backward, So as I move my iron forward, it'll steam, and on the reverse, it'll heat. SenSteam is a great feature because I want to steam the fibers going forward and relax the fabric, and I want the heat of the iron to press on the way back. A great feature that we have on our system is our dual shutoff mode. So after 10 minutes of inactivity, my system will automatically turn off. That's a great security feature. But if I want my iron to stay on a little bit longer, I can override my automatic shutoff by pressing and holding the power button for 10 seconds. This means that my iron is going to stay on until I turn it off. Earlier I told you that we use regular tap water in our systems. We've got a large capacity removable water tank that I can take right to the sink. I fill this with regular tap water because we do need the minerals in the water. Now, if you have a well or if you use a water softener, then we recommend a bottled spring water. But either way, we've got a large water capacity. When your filter comes new, it's going to be a charcoal or blue color. Over time, your color is going to change to a golden amber color as your filter gets exhausted. So again, Depending on water quality and how often you use your iron is going to range how long your filter lasts, but it's not something that needs to be replaced often. The Laurastar ironing system is a product that's going to last a very long time, but there's some simple maintenance involved. I'm going to show you how to descale or flush your tank, and it should be done about once a month. When you flush the system, it's really important to turn it off and let it cool for at least an hour. We're going to be flushing the water from the boiler, so if it's been on, it's very hot and dangerous. So give it some time to cool down. What I'm going to do is put my drip tray underneath my boiler, and I'm going to unscrew the black cap. You're going to see that water is going to flow into your drip tray. I'm also going to remove my removable water tank, and there's another cap here that I'm going to unscrew and place to the side. I'm going to take off the black lid of my removable water tank. I'm also going to remove the filter and the other reservoir. Fill water to the max line and place your black plastic funnel where the cap has been removed. I'm going to put that water over that funnel, and the water is going to run through the boiler and flush through your system into the drip tray. Again, doing this about once a month is going to ensure that you don't have any mineral buildup in your iron, and it's going to allow you to have dry microfine steam for a very long time. Descaling the system or flushing the tank is simple maintenance that needs to be performed once a month. Finally, let me show you how to fold up my system and put it away for the day. I want to raise the height of my board to its highest position, just like this. I've got a lever on both sides here. I'm going to fold in my iron rest, put my iron in its storage compartment. I'm going to remove my steam cord holder and lay that flat. And here's a really nice trick. I'm going to put my hand underneath my storage and also put my other hand supporting my board. I'm going to tilt the whole board at an angle, and gravity will take hold, and my board is nice and compact, and I can wheel it to its storage place. I hope you enjoyed learning about the Smart U features, what type of water we use, and how easy it is to maintenance and care for your system.